Next step, find you some leftover boards, paint them with the wrong color paint, but it's close enough. It's on the back side of the little tiny cabin. Who cares? Who's gonna care? The trees? Nah, it'd be all right. So I don't know. You may have caught me filling, using the window door great stuff as to not warp. Not that it would, it's 2x4s, but that thing is humming. We'll see. Got to shave that off and put the trim up. I got to seal it. Got some sealant. I don't have a caulk gun, so we're gonna figure it out.